Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, as y'all can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing another wig review for premiumlacewigs.com. Now, this unit right here, as y'all can see, is deep curly, kind of like the one that I've been reviewing, you know, the short bob, but it's longer. So anyway, yeah, we're gonna just go ahead and jump straight in. Now, the unit came with it was shipped through DHL. Now on their website you can choose between DHL or FedEx, and I just always choose DHL. So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna let y'all see what came with the wig. I actually ordered 2 wigs from them, but I'm only going to be reviewing this one today. So anyway, yeah, it didn't come with a box, I guess because I ordered 2 wigs, so they just put them in the bag, which is definitely fine with me. But it did come with the wig bag like usual. It came with 2 stocking caps. These are actually like the brownish nude ones or whatever. So it came with 2, you know, it's 2 in a pack, so that was great. Pretty much they sent me 2 of everything because I ordered 2 wigs. So then they sent me the 2 pouches that comes with the it's 2 hair clips in there, bobby pins, as well as the elastic bands. So I have, like I said, 2 of each. And then they did send me, I think they only sent me 1 rat tail comb, but that's fine. I have millions. So yeah, they sent me a rat tail comb again. And then they also sent a pouch, a little, I don't know. It's cute though, it's purple. So, yeah. Now, as far as the unit. Okay, so the details on this unit. This is 100% virgin hair, and it is 22 inches long. It is deep curly. I ordered it in the color number 1. Now, some of their units, they do give you the option to choose which hair color you would like. And for this one in particular, I was able to choose. So I was so happy about that because I get so sick and tired of doing the watercolor method. I do not like dyeing it at all, but the watercolor method, you know, it's quick and easy, but sometimes that's annoying as well. So I was super happy that I could choose this in the number 1 and I wouldn't have to go through all of that. So anyway, yes, I ordered this in the number 1. The density, I chose 180 because it is 22 inches long and I did not want, you know, no. And then the lace color is medium brown. They asked, well, they offer to already have the elastic band attached to the unit. I said no because I do not do elastic bands. In the wig cap, well, they also offer you now, do you want the fake scalp? I said no for that either because, I mean, I've never tried it before, so it's like, I'd rather just stick with what I knew, okay? So yeah, I said no to the fake scalp. And then as far as the lace, it's a 13 by 6 and the lace is stretchy. So yeah, that's all the information on this. Pricing, I believe the price is, it was $195 actually, if I'm not mistaken. By the time I ended up, you know, adding all what I wanted, like the length and the density and all of that, it came up to $195. And I did have free shipping because I did purchase more than 1 unit. So I believe once you spend over, I forgot how much it is, but once you spend a certain amount, you automatically get free shipping. So yeah, like I said, the unit was $195. And this is she right here. Like I said, I got the lace in medium brown. And she is so freaking pretty. Oh, I cannot wait. Oh my God. This is so gorgeous, y'all. Just look at the wave pattern in that. Like, are you? Yo. I know y'all see that. But yeah, so, and as y'all can see, it is slightly pre-plucked. Well, it does look pretty pre-plucked. I'm not sure if I will have to do any additional plucking to it. I always do, but all of that gets tiring as well. So I don't know, I might just pluck it just a little bit to my liking, but that's about it. And as y'all can see, it does come with the baby hairs in the front. So as far as the construction on the inside, like I said, it's a 13 by 6. It comes with your 2 combs right here on the side, your comb right there in the middle of your crown, and then you also have a comb back here in the nape area, as well as 2 adjustable straps and a piece of lace right here in the back. So yeah, that is the wig, you guys. Like I said, it's 22 inches long. And yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try it on. That's why I threw on this wig right here. I know it still looks really good, y'all. If you want to know the information on this unit, I actually did a video on this unit a few weeks ago, because this is a synthetic unit. And well, this video is not about this wig at all, but I'm pretty sure some people would love to know because it is popping right now. Okay, so what I will do is just down in the description box, I will link that video below. So in case if you want to see the details about this wig or whatever, you will have that information as well. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and try this bad boy on. Okay, y'all. Yeah, this is the wig, you guys. As y'all can see, I'm gonna stand up a little bit. As y'all can see, let me cover my fat. Okay, so as y'all can see, this is the length of the unit right here, and this is a pretty good length. Like, they do have 24 inches. They do have 24 inches, right? So that's it in the back. They have 24 inches, but I decided to get 22. Yeah, so ooh, oh my god, y'all, I'm going to love this unit. And I'm so happy that they have it in medium brown, because y'all, look at this lace. Like, I'm not about to bleach no knots. I'm not about to do anything. The hairline looks pretty damn good. I mean, I literally think I'm just going to take just a little bit off. Like, y'all, look how flawless this lace is just blending into my skin. Like, y'all, I can't dance for I can't dance for nothing. But anyway, so yeah, y'all, look at this wig. Like, boo boo. Boo boo. All right, guys, so I went ahead and I cut the lace off, but as you can see, I did not glue it. I wanted y'all to see the hairline first. Yes, I'm definitely leaving it like this. No, I'm not going to pluck. I'm not doing none of that. This wig about to stay like this, okay? Because I really love how natural it looks and all of that, and we just going, we just gonna make it work. Alright guys, so this is the wig right here. As y'all can see, I went ahead and I glued it down. I did have a few malfunctions. I did not clean my hairline first with alcohol like I should have, like I normally do. Yeah, so old girl was not trying to lay down for me, and in certain spots she's still, playing with the kid, okay? So anyway, but she's down enough. She's down enough just so I can make it through this video. But yeah, so, and look how natural this hairline looks. Like, I know right here, like further to the ear tabs, it does need more like tweezing. But as far as here, I think that is perfectly fine for me. So anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like this. As y'all can see, I went ahead and I parted it into a middle part. Yeah, I'm gonna try to clean that up just a little bit more, and I want y'all to see like how far back this freaking part goes. Like, look at that, y'all. Oh my God. This is crazy. So yeah, this is the unit right here in its natural form. I didn't do anything to it. I'm just running my hands through it right now. Like, look how big and pretty this is. Like, I just want to brush it out. All right, and since I didn't put any foundation or anything underneath, I'm just going to take a little bit of my concealer with a concealer brush, and I'm going to go across this part. All right, guys, so that wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, because I know I definitely did. I am loving this wig. I know you guys are too. Just look at it. Like, oh my God. And I didn't completely saturate it. As y'all can see, I didn't have much water in here to begin with. So that little bit of water that was in there, I did use that to go ahead and, you know, wet the wig up some, just so y'all can see how it will look once water is applied to it. And it's slowly drying just a little bit, but just look at these. Like, just look at it. Look at the hairline. Like, this is just amazing. I give this wig a whole 10, okay? Like a whole 10. For one, I didn't have to do anything to it. I did not have to pluck it. Did not have to dye it. Did not have to bleach it. Did not have to put foundation underneath. Like, this was literally the only wig I've ever had in my entire life. My entire wig wearing life. That all I had to do was literally just cut the lace, put it on. Like, seriously. So anyway, yes, I love this unit. Like I said, well, I gave y'all all the details for this unit in the beginning of the video, but I will definitely link everything down below, as well as the direct link straight to this unit right here. Also, one more thing before I let y'all go. Y'all do not mind my ear tabs, because they are not all the way down. I told y'all we were having technical difficulties, so whatever. But anyway, yeah, one more thing before I let y'all go. These lashes right here are popping, of course, and if you ladies would love to know where I got these from, these are from Call It Our Candy, just like the ones I was wearing in my previous video, but these are a different style. I cannot remember the name of these lashes right now, but I will be sure to, you know, insert it somewhere on this video, as well as leave all of the information down below in the description box how you can purchase these lashes for yourself. These are definitely mink lashes. They are adorable. They are gorgeous. So yeah. Anyway, thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe. I look forward to seeing y'all in the next one. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend. And yeah, love y'all.